Today I'm going to quickly show you how you can turn off the beeping on your Venom Pro-2 charger. You're probably going to hear a lot of this when you're changing settings on your charger. And this video will very quickly show you how to turn off that beeping noise. So you're just going to start off by starting up your charger like you normally do. Then you're going to scroll over using the select button until we reach user set program. Then we're going to press start and scroll over using status. There's a lot of fancy settings in here, but the one we want is here. You can see the setting of key beep and buzzer. We're going to press start and then press either side of the status to turn it off. And then we press start. And then bam! Now you're going to not hear any more clicking from your Venom Pro-2 charger, because I know for a fact it gets really annoying, so that fixes it. You're welcome.